Hey there, cleaning family. It's Carolyn Arellano, your cleaning business mentor. And in today's video, I am going to be doing a walkthrough of a 7-Eleven location that we have contracted. So be sure to stick around for the entire video. Hey guys, so we are here at a 7-Eleven location. Now, before I even go in to talk to the client, I am going to take as many videos and photos of the exterior of this facility because we want to know how many windows do they have. Okay, we want to know how big the parking lot is in case we have to get some snow plowing done. We want to know all about the floor out here in case we want to do some power washing. And of course, we want to take video and understand where the garbage is. Okay, so all of these things are important. You want to make sure to walk the building to make sure there are no other windows on the sides of the building. You want to get video of the parking lot, again, in case you have to do some snow plowing or power washing in the summer. You want to make sure you get all of the windows for the window cleaning. So we always get the exterior before we head on inside. Alrighty, you guys, so what's really important for me is to get an entire snapshot of what we're going to be cleaning. Okay, so what is it that we're going to be cleaning? How large is the facility? And of course, I'm going to be taking measurements. All right, so follow me. And we want to make sure we know how many windows we're going to be cleaning. Okay, so we're going to count all the windows. All right, we're going to be taking photos and videos of the floor because we're going to be cleaning it. We want to make sure that we get details for everything, photos of everything, counts of everything, videos of everything, so that way when I go quote this later on today, I can look back and understand what I'm doing. So we're going to just be mindful of how many coffee machines there are. We're going to be mindful of how many rows there are of everything. And then, of course, we're going to be doing some measuring, okay? So we want to see how big this store is, right? So from this wall to this wall, we have about 27.7 feet. So we know that the store is 27.7 feet wide, okay? Now we're going to do the length. So I don't want to be in the way of anybody that's working here. So we're going to come over here to the other wall to get the measurement for the length. So it was 27.7 feet, which you can see right here as far as the width. Now we're going to get the length, which it's a little difficult, but we'll start from here. Tell me when you see, okay, so 55.5. So we're actually going to say 60 feet across because we have about 4 feet right here. So it's 60 feet across, and I think we said whatever the measurements were across. So now what you're going to do is multiply that, and then you'll know how many square feet this store is, right? But that's actually just this one area. So now we have the square footage for this main area, which is the main store, and we know what the floor type is by looking at the floor. So follow me, and we're going to show you some other areas that we clean. So now back here is the area also that we'll be cleaning. This is for the employees. And then we do have a small bathroom back here that we will be cleaning. So let me go ahead and measure the bathroom really quickly. Hold this. So what we're going to do is 411 by 411. So it's 411 by 411. That's the square footage of the bathroom. And let's just take note of the floor. This is VCT tile. So how we're going to get the math to the square footage later on is we're going to multiply 411 by 411. Then we're going to know how many square feet the bathroom is. Now we're going to do the same thing with this back area. Let's just go ahead and get some measurements. So I'm not actually going to measure this part with the bike right here, just because we're not going to be touching over here. But let's start measuring from right here. So from this wall to this wall, we have measurements of 10.9. So that's 10.9 feet that way by 9 feet. So it's 10.9